Hey everyone, have you ever thought about who you really trust for spiritual guidance? There's a subtle danger we all need to be aware of. Satan's master plan is to make us look to people, pastors, teachers, leaders, instead of directly to God. When we rely solely on them, we can be easily led astray without even realizing it. The Bible makes it clear that many do ungrasp God's word because they are unwilling to live by the truths they find. True understanding doesn't come from being the smartest person in the room. It comes from a heart that truly wants to do what's right. So let's challenge ourselves. Let's open our Bibles, pray for discernment, and put our ultimate trust in God alone. Don't just take someone else's word for it. Discover the truth for yourself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more thoughts like this.